The support arm assemblies are done. Not too bad. We did have one minor issue. I'm supposed to have 4 F6 posts that go into the circular runners here. However, I only had 3. So I had to build one, which you can see here, I think, out of a bamboo skewer. I keep a lot of bamboo skewers around. They're really good for holding things, and they carve into cylinders really, really easily. So I was able to carve out an approximation of this piece that actually was very important because it's what fit into the actual support arm. So that was a good rescue there. So here we go. Those are all set to go. And those, I believe, look like they just key in to the, yeah, that's what they're going to do. They're going to key in somehow to the rail tracks. So those are ready to go. Very nice little, they're well put together. Everything's fitting really, really nicely. So I have very few complaints about those, except for the one missing piece so far. All right, so next time we're going to be, we've done that part. Next time we're going to be building the mortar transport chassis. So I'm going to be doing all road wheels and all that sort of stuff. So until then, as always, I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe. And until next time, keep on building. Have a great day, okay? See you later.